Hi, I'm Javier Ortiz with LocalVision Networks Best, where we bring you the best place to shop, eat, and play right here in the Bay. Let's go.
Here at Almost Everything Auto Body, we have a great team and we're known for great customer service. Our technicians have over 100 years of experience in the auto body industry. We do a lot of things that most shops don't do. We of course work with insurance companies, but if you don't have insurance, we also help you find options to make repairs possible. We do overall paint jobs, which most shops don't do anymore, but once a car gets to about 7 to 10 years old, it usually needs a paint job. We're really proud to have gotten dozens of awards, and the ones that we like the most are the ones where local residents have voted for us. As our name implies, Almost Everything Auto Body does just about everything. We've had brand new Ferraris and Mercedes, but we also do old Toyotas and Corollas. We have customer service advisors that work with insurance companies, do the estimating, order parts, and just make sure that the process is flowing smoothly. Body technicians fix dents, realign frames, replace parts and things like that. Preppers will sand out chips and scratches in cars and get cars ready for paint. Maskers cover up the parts of the car that aren't supposed to get paint on them and just clean them up before they go into the paint booth. The painters actually match factory paint and paint the cars, and then we have detailers that will take off the masking tape, put emblems back on, and just get the car ready for delivery. We're on Central Mont Place in Fremont. It's a one-block street, so if you find our street, you should be able to find the shop. We do offer the best written warranty in the industry. So, in the rare occasion where there is some sort of a problem, give us a call. We'll make sure that any kind of issue is addressed and taken care of. Almost Everything Auto Body's pricing is very reasonable, and our prices for overall paint jobs are among the best in Northern California. In addition to collision repairs and paint, we can provide things to prevent damage from chips and scratches. We can put body side moldings on your car, chrome moldings just to help splash it up a little bit. We have pinstripes available if you want to do some customizing. And something that we're proud of is our work with local schools and charities. We often have deals and coupons available on our website that can help with repair costs, rental cars, overall paint jobs and things like that.